soldier, choosing your battles. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off, get back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's on, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you've got it all. Believe.
Hi, good morning everyone. Here we have with us Ralph Fernandez. This is a very special moment for him as we have the tournament organized on behalf of his late father, Antonio Lorenzo Fernandez. Ralph, we would like to know a little bit about your father, who we know was an excellent footballer and a passionate footballer for Goans all across.
First, I would like to thank William for having us featured on Siolkars Cup. You know, what shall I say about my dad? Passionate footballer. All that mattered to my dad was that you play football. Coming from a humble home in Sholim, growing up in Kalangut, my dad was one of the founder players who played for Lube late when FC Sholim was founded. They played against FC Benfica as there was a Portuguese rule that time. Dad was so talented in football. At one point, to earn his daily living, he had to go to Kuwait. Started working in a catering company. Dad always had football on his mind. No matter how tired he was or how many hours he had worked, for sure he would make time for football. Keeping that in mind, he brought the Goan youth together in Kuwait, founded a team called United Goans, UG Strikers, one of the top 3 teams for many, many years in Kuwait. That was someone who saw talent. If you had it in you, you knew for sure that he would take care of you, he would place you somewhere, he would take you abroad, give you a job and look after you. So that was my dad, Antonio Lorenzo Fernandez.
Yeah, we have heard also that he was a big supporter of the FC Sholim team, and you also have played a part for it. Would you want to throw some light on that as well?
Yes, FC Sholim, something that is very dear to our heart, and so was it to my father. My father always said to me, "Bahir gele mto sadat ektai rauche, Siolkarang ektai do." So when we were playing in Sholim at one point many years ago, Sholim was the strongest team, but somehow we all had our differences. We had many teams. So Dad would say to me, "Ralph, try to get everyone together, because when you come home, you will meet them in church, you will meet them at the tea talk." So we came with this idea to say, guys, let's put aside our differences, come together and have one FC Sholim team. Since then, we have won one tournament, 7-a-side. We have been runners-up to another tournament. And for the future tournaments, we are going to feature together as one. I myself, having played for FC Sholim, very passionate, the talent the youth has. Sholim is about encouraging talent and giving opportunities to sportsmen or whoever has the willingness to play and to work in the Gulf.
Ralph, especially today, if your father was there, I think he would be very happy to see all the Sholim teams united. What is the one thing you from your father that inspired you and you think has inspired a lot of Goans all across the Kuwait or in the Gulf?
My dad had this unique talent in him. Dad never saw who you are, where you came from, your caste, color or religion. Dad always said a hardworking man and a talented man should be given an opportunity to rise up in life. So that's one thing I take from my father is when I see talent, when I see hardworking people, I think they should be given an opportunity to rise up in life.
Yeah, would you like to share some footballing moments that you have shared with your father? Maybe some experiences of his footballing career?
Yes, Dad was so passionate for when he used to play for FC Sholim. He said, the Pakles are very strong. So when we used to play against the Pakles, we had to be the best. And we did not have coaches and we did not have grounds. We used to play with the shoes, the leather shoes that time, where you had to hit in the studs in the sole. So Dad always was a hard-working player. He always said, work hard on the field, practice more, then you'll be the best.
Ralph, last message you would like to give to the youth, especially if your father was around. I'm sure he has given you a lot of messages when you were a youth as well. Something that you could pass around to our youth as well out here.
Yes, Antonio Lorenzo Fernandez always believed, chase passion, chase perfection, chase hard work. Fame and money then follows you. This is the sole thing he taught me in my life. Be passionate about what you do, be it sport, be it work, be it anything. And for sure one day, success will come following you.
Yeah, thank you, Ralph, very much. It was a very emotional thought of you for sharing the story of Antonio Lorenzo Fernandez, who very few of us know but has done a lot of work, especially with the footballing fraternity away from Goa. And we pray and hope that he's looking us from the top and he gives us all the courage to strengthen and unite all the Siolkars.
Biggie, biggie, mama from east to west. Bachi waka waka my